Welcome to the Mama Food Forest kitchen. I am so excited. Finally, I can share all my recipes with everyone who wanted. This is not only a kitchen that we cook, but also a classroom. We talk about our story with the food forest we grow around this kitchen and all the yummy recipes, and more importantly, our relationship with our food. We have all these wonderful colors and daikon leaves. Green leaves in the cooking, in the food system, represents energy for lungs. We need warming energy, stimulating energy to increase our blood circulation and metabolism. So I would like always use roasted sesame oil. I normally don't add water in this recipe. When the mother makes the food with love and all the mindfulness, it does nourish the children in a different way. All right, while the love bung's getting steamed, I'm preparing the long life yam soup. As I mentioned, yam is a very important food for our digestion system. The best way to eat a root crop is to make soup because you want the full vibration of these beautiful roots come out. Chocolate is one of the most commonly used home medicine soup in China, and the main purpose of this root's energy is to bring the qi circulation. We have jujube dates. Jujube dates is called beauty dates in China, and all the girls and women would grow up with this remedy at home. And we have some walnut. Walnut has multiple amino acids and also different minerals, but most important, walnuts nurtures the kidney qi. So this soup is a warming energy soup by increasing the qi movement and then increase our blood circulation, metabolism, and nurtures our spleen and kidney and liver. This soup looks so beautiful and so energetic with everyone in there. Reflection of a happy food forest. Now, while we're waiting for the soup to get ready, and we'll prepare the dessert. White color represents lung energy also. So in autumn, winter, our lungs tend to dry. And this dish also supports the lung health. Pick up one black sesame filling, and then you use your right hand, hold it, gently pushing and closing the mochi flour. And once you close the bottom and you start rolling it again, I love my food, I love my children. And put all your good intention, energy into it. Freshly steamed love buns. Smells yummy. Let's have a close look. The black sesame paste. And together with the Mama Food Forest, it's the perfect opportunity to empower ourselves again to become a loving, compassionate, wise mother. And so we can make a contribution to the harmony and positive change to our society and to the future of Earth. Thank you again, everyone, and I hope I can often share my magic cooking in the food forest with you.